What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the Pixel 3 XL, and my tempered glass screen protector is busted. Now currently I do have the Whitestone Dome Screen Protector on here, and just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how to remove the Whitestone Dome if you need to replace it for a new Whitestone Dome, or how's the aftermath. A lot of people worry that because you have to cure the adhesive that it leaves a residue behind, which kind of doesn't. So basically just grab your nail. Now mine is really busted, so it's gonna shatter, but you just peel it from the side. As you can see, I just shattered it right there. So you just gotta peel it. Grab a good, be careful, because some of that glass is coming. Oh my god, I should have done this. Mine's super shattered, so yours probably won't be like this, but yeah, I'm having difficulties with mine here, and I'm gonna probably have to clean that glass. Oh, there's glass everywhere. There's glass everywhere. It's probably a bad I shouldn't have showed you. I shouldn't have done it on this one because my sides are shattered here. But where can I get a good grip? I'm trying to get a good grip so I can just peel it off, and here we go. Here we go. As you can see, kind of is coming up. So it just comes up like this, kind of slowly peel it off, and I'm gonna have to clean all this glass. There's a bunch of glasses actually shattering on my desk, and that's probably because the screen protector was super shattered, but it did its work and it did protect my device. Holy crap. This is holy. Oh my god. So my screen is flawless, as you can see, but damn, look at this. This is jacked up. Now yours is probably not gonna come out like that. Mine was, my screen protector was completely shattered. It landed on its face a couple times and it really did damage to the screen protector, so that's probably why it's coming out like this. You see all the glass here. I'm just gonna go get a vacuum and vacuum all this glass up real quick, but it does come off, and usually on other circumstances it's not gonna be like this. You're not gonna get all kinds of glass everywhere. My screen protector was really shattered all around the screen protector, around the edges. It was all chipped because I never changed it. I wanted to last with it as long as possible, but the screen itself here is actually good. As I wipe it down, look at that flawless screen. No residue or anything like that left behind. The screen is perfectly intact. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.